Today we're taking a look at the lemon button fern on What Is It Wednesday. They have bright green fronds that resemble buttons. Small rounded leaflets grow in clusters along a wiry stem. Other names include fishbone or tuberous sword fern, they are native to many tropical regions in Africa, Asia, and the Americas. They live on the forest floors and like a shady, damp area. They belong to one of the oldest fern families dating back to prehistoric time. They have a long evolutionary history and were already present on Earth more than 300 million years ago, well before the existence of dinosaurs. They will thrive in a warm and humid environment. Ideal for terrariums, where it can stay nice and moist. And the soil should be well draining, but never let it dry out. Mist as needed. Some people also leave it in a saucer of water to help keep the moisture up. They are ideal for smaller spaces as they only get 12 to 18 inches in height and a span of about 12 inches wide. They require bright indirect light, never direct light under the sun. They could burn easily. The easiest way to propagate this plant would be by division, by separating from the roots in the soil by the rhizomes and repotting them separately and giving them space to grow. You're going to love that these are non-toxic to pets and humans, and they have also been known to have some healing properties in some cases, and some varieties of ferns were used for medicinal uses. They are excellent at purifying the air, and they make a great houseplant. You definitely want to keep an eye out for insects and pests. Maybe use a systemic to help control that. In a terrarium with the high humidity might be a better environment. These little dots are normal on the leaves. They are spores, which is another way to propagate, but probably very difficult. It would have to be a very mature plant and you would have to know what you're doing. Well, what did one fern say to the other during a forest stroll? Ferntastic weather we're having, isn't it? Ha! You're definitely going to want to subscribe because I'm going to make an awesome terrarium and put this lemon button fern in it. So stay tuned for that. And give us a thumbs up. Helps me keep motivated to make more What Is It Wednesday videos. I appreciate you. And check out the other plants in the series.